Welcome back. Every Python script you have ever executed has run within a thread. When a Python program starts, the operating system creates a process, and that process automatically creates one default thread to execute your code. This is called the main thread. 1. Role of the main thread. The main thread is responsible for executing all sequential code in your script. It is also the thread that, when it completes its execution, signals the operating system that the Python program should shut down. All user-created threads run concurrently with and are managed by this main thread. 2. Identifying the current thread. To verify the existence and identity of the main thread, we use threading.currentThread parenthesis. This function returns a reference to the thread object that is currently running the code. We may then access its .name attribute. For the default thread running your script, this name is always main thread, and its daemon status is always false. 3. The execution flow. Any line of code you write outside a function or a custom thread is executed sequentially by the main thread. From the first line to the last, the entire script runs under the main thread identity. We will use this knowledge as a baseline when we start creating new threads in the next section to clearly distinguish between the default execution flow and the concurrent flow. To summarize, all Python code runs in the main thread. Our next lecture 26.03, Thread Using a Function. See you there.